Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. This episode we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin Indecision continues. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, guys? Thank you all for being here. Closing the house. Andrew, what's up? Nebula, yo. Abrupto, good evening. Run Forces, Rockets. For gaming, yo. Good stream, thanks, man. Thanks. We do what we can to make it enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for being part of this awesome crypto community and being here for tonight. Let's move to the area where the magical little things happen. Here we go. Oh, market cap. What's it doing? Indecision, right? All right. Not all is bad, but some things are not the best. First of all, we're still getting indecision. We had a spinning top yesterday on the 15th. Today on the 16th, we also had a spinning top. We're already opening on tomorrow and going on the red after rejecting the 20 moving average. So, not the best move. Right, we got our hit for the 20. We're failing to get above it, and we need to get above that 20 for us to be able to come and reclaim or try to retest 2.15 trillion. Right now, on that rejection, we could be on track to retest $2 trillion. It's not going to be the best for crypto if we go down there, right? So again, you need to go back up above the 20 and higher still with the bullish divergence that we have. There's nothing bearish overhead right now as to why we should be going down. And just market's not strong enough right now, and that's just the feeling I'm getting overall, right? Yes, some things are pumping, but even though Bitcoin's stagnating, some alts are not taking advantage of it and running, right? I mean, we did manage to go slightly green, and that is because some alts managed to rally yesterday. But look, 0.39 is not a lot. And that just tells me that even though there's indecision on Bitcoin, alts are too scared to run. Usually when we see Bitcoin stagnating after strong moves either down or up, we start to see alts take advantage of that indecision and that Bitcoin fear, and they start moving a little bit, and we're not seeing that happening. So we'll see. Prepare for Horses target hit, or Jake says target hit. Awesome, dude. Let's go here to Bitcoin. Where are we at? Look at this spinning top. Yesterday, what we said was going to have today? I said there was going to be indecision. We're going to very, very likely look to spinning top, and spinning top it is. Right now, starting to go down 0.30% again. Not the best, right? Nothing else that is bearish. Bullish divergence. Failing to get us to the 20 is not good. That's not a good sign. We at least want to get to that 20 moving average, man. Right now, we're still trying to hold support at 40,996. We did manage to hold on to that yesterday, right? Ooh, Jake. Awesome. Congrats, my friend. Still trying to go back up, right? 43,923. That'll be a target if we manage to hold on to 40,996. Right now, we are slightly below it, right? Again, indecision, 2 indecision days. Spinning top, we talked about that yesterday. I even said the stream was going to be short because there's nothing going on. We could expect sideways motion, and look at that. About the same level at support and bouncing, right? So, yeah, we're not doing a lot. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday, we should be expecting to see a move. And right now, I mean, I hope I'm wrong, but it just feels like we might go down. It don't feel like the market has a lot of strength. We're struggling to get above and away from that 20 moving average. This hidden divergence is making us move sideways. We had the strong bullish on the daily and the 4-hour. Just feeling us to go much higher, man. And I don't like that feeling. Because right now, this indecision, right? It's killer, man. We are tightening on the Bollinger Bands. And I'm hoping I'm wrong, but I do believe we could be going down to 40,900, 40,626 here for support. Maybe retest again before we try to bounce. Again, there is nothing bullish coming on here, right? We're coming up higher, less negative momentum and higher on our side. So all we're getting right now is just consolidation. And this is going to happen until we finally break, right? And the consolidation that we're making, if we zoom in shorter into the 1 hour, it's going to start looking like a triangle. Those symmetrical triangles could break either upside or downside. They're 50-50. Unfortunately, we don't know which way those symmetrical triangles are going to break. Nebula says just been playing short-term ranges, waiting to see where market maker want to go for next week. Interesting. Right. So let's see what else is going on. Right. On the 1 hour, we had the bearish, had the hidden bullish. Look, we tried to rally, hit the 20, failed, came back down slightly lower than the previous low. And again, on that, we created some bullish divergence strong. It is just minor, but Yeah, it tried to get us to rally. It just didn't do much for us, right? It's failed to get higher than the previous high. Then we're getting continuation of whatever bearishness we're carrying on, and we're just getting sideways motion, consolidation. Again, market not the strongest, even here, bullish effort. But look at this, right? Tried to rally, went back down. Now we are coming slightly lower here as well. And even from the previous island to this island, we're still creating bullish divergence. Strong. We don't have it against our sides, just against the MACD. Now we're going slightly higher here. And here the numbers 20.71, and here is 21, right? So 2021, guess what's happening here? Hidden bullish, right? Again, if you just want to track these minor moves like this, it's fine. Otherwise, you could just say they're strong bullish and just failing to play out. And I don't like it because we're just rejecting 20 with strong bullish. We should be getting above that 20 and then trying to go higher. All this tells me is the market it's scared. It doesn't know where it wants to go. There is bullish divergence, but it's like, look, bullish divergence here hidden. Yeah, hit the 20, rejected. Strong bullish, try to get above the 20, failed. Nothing bearish overhead. Strong bullish. Yes, try to get above the 20 and failed. Hidden bullish. Yeah, we're going to go for the 20 moving average very likely at $43,080. But are we going to go higher than that? Right? So the market's looking very, very undecided. I don't like that feeling. We'll see how the market keeps going. But for now, it is what we have, right? Indecision. But we should, at least on this chart, on the 1 hour, said we should be going for a 20. If we get above the 20, things could start to look a little bit better. 4 hour, again, there's nothing. And then on the daily, there's nothing. But it's just not feeling super bullish. Last thing we have is bullish divergence. That should indicate that we should be going to the upside, hit the 20 moving average. But look at this. We tried to rally, and all of a sudden, we just flatlined, right? Look at that. Flatlining here on the price. We're failing to go higher. We're failing to go lower. And usually that, for me, it's like you should start to get worried about it because we're not strong enough to go higher, but we're also not weak enough to drop, right? You get what I'm saying? We're at that indecision phase. It just feels like we should retrace maybe a little bit to get some more bullish divergence and then try to run with that, right? So again, I hope I'm wrong. I hope we rally from here, but we might be getting some pullback, right? If we come down here to that 40,626, go low, lower low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low to high on the RSI have more strong bullish divergence, that could start the rally. We're closing a week for Bitcoin, so let's go check out the weekly. Yay, we made a minor 2.94% green week. It's not bad, right? Right. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 3,326. Again, there's nothing bullish, trying to rally, rejecting this same area we're looking for. That fib retracement, 50% retracement at 3,257, going up, rejecting yesterday, still finding support above 3,224. Right now, we're almost at that area. And yes, there's nothing happening here that is bullish or bearish. We're just neutral at 41.48. Still indecision in the market. Here, you can see the same thing, right? Starting to go flatline here, even though we dropped, recovered, but again, flatlining at that $3,324 mark. Nothing bullish or bearish. MACD starting to die out. We're about to get a violent move coming in, I think, for the market. And that's because the Bollinger Bands are tight. And we're just not doing a lot either on the price or the MACD. So we should be getting a wild swing happening here. Neutral 52.50. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, bullish divergence hidden, trying to get the rally. We did go higher. Now, are we going higher than here? 387, 452. Definitely coming up higher than the MACD, and also, on the hour side is going to be interesting. We're going to have some in here. 63.05, 63.18. So it's going slightly higher as well. So there is nothing bearish, but we're still facing indecision. Last thing we had was hidden bullish. We did manage to get higher than the previous high. Nothing bearish. And then we're still stagnating. It's not looking the best. Again, we're sitting right at that support area. And we want it to hold, right? We want to hold support so we can look for higher areas of value. Otherwise, it's not going to be good for Ethereum either, man, right? It's going to very likely follow Bitcoin. Let's go and check out ADA. ADA, $1.48. Oh, look at that. It pumped magically the last hour. All right, so we managed to get above $1.40, which is pretty good. And again, getting above $1.40, we talked about it. And where we're going to go? Up here, $1.52, right? That's the next target. So not bad for ADA. Bullish divergence coming in. Starting to get the rally. It's one of those coins that's really not caring about what the market is doing, and that is good. Now, the only thing I'm worried about now is some hidden divergence is starting to develop, and that could put pressure on the price. But if we just keep on rallying the way ADA is rallying, we should be okay. And again, ADA and whatever other alts are pumping 5% or more right now could be setting up a tune for the market, and hopefully we start to get some upwards motion. Mr. The Falls. Flax, thank you very much for being here, homie. How's it going, man? So we're looking for some bearish divergence here at resistance. And yes, it did manage to hold a resistance for a little bit. Pump higher, getting rid of that against the RSI, but against the MACD, we're still holding on to that. And guess what? Strong bearish divergence still in play against the RSI. Not against, sorry, against the MACD, not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're clear. We're overbought at 76.44. And with that, we could be looking for some action to the downside, but we'll see, right? Again, it's still here. Well, we could still get up to $1.50 and still have strong bearish divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Look at this last hour, man. This is what's saving it right now. 6%, man. 6% to the upside on the last hour. Jeez, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. If you guys are playing the ADA game, you guys are doing great. Right, so we have strong bearish divergence here as well. That the possibility for action to the downside. So we're going to see how this is going to play out here again. That could get us to where we start to go back down and start heading for a 20 moving average at $1.40, right? Again, with strong bearish divergence, that move is very likely possible. What's up, dude?
Legendary.
Yo, Neville, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Yes,
Thank you. Thank you
legendary,
very much.
man. That is an awesome, kind donation. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Cardano struggling. So we're starting to see this Cardano struggle, and we're gonna see where it goes, right? We're gonna see where it goes. Thank you very much for that, man. That's freaking awesome. Let's roll now, man. Let's go and check out what else can I look at, man? Everything good? Good? Yeah, everything's good. Everything's good. Everything's awesome. Jake playing the ADA longs. How much leverage were you using, Jake, on ADA? All right, let's go see what else is moving, man. Let's go to the XRP, man. Where's XRP at? We haven't looked at XRP in a while. A lot of people like XRP. It's not doing the best. 77 cents. Consolidation. All right, cards and AVAX. Sure, we'll go to check out those out. I just want to check out XRP real quick, and again, same stuff, right? Indecision. Not a lot going on here in XRP. All right, so first we got the cards. We got to the cards. By the way, guys, if you enjoy the stream, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub, and you comment. I want to know that you're here and watching. So, thank you for joining me though for this amazing crypto broadcast at Zo Crypto. Anyways, where are we going here? All right, cards. We haven't looked at this in a long time. Last time we were looking at this with some bullishness. We got a small pop, but damn. All right, it is taking a pop, right? Yesterday, 14%, finally waking up. After doing a very deep retrace below its previous 100% low. Right, so it's below its low and reclaiming that zone, right? Why is that happening? Well, we have bullish divergence strong. That's the first thing I'm noticing. And we're just going to anchor hit this here on the daily and make sure it just stays here so it doesn't go to the other time scales. And on this move, again, strong bullish potential for action to the upside, right? So we're starting to get our moving up. However, this coin was so low that even in the small moving up, we're starting to create some hidden divergence. And that hidden bearish is coming in here against the RSI. So we might see some pressure start to build on this. And we are sitting overbought at 74.23, right? On the term here, on the midterm. Then here in the shorter move also, look at this, right? From a high point to a lower point on that MACD, coming low to high. So with that, we have also strong bearish divergence, right? So struggling on cards, but we'll keep on checking. Let's go to the 4 hours, see if we can negate some of this pressure that we're getting, right? Not gonna 100% negate it, but you know, at least we're gonna see if there's something else going on. So nothing here, right? We're going up higher, more positive momentum and higher on the RSI. Just sitting bought right now at 67.77. And with that, again, yes, we have cooled off a little bit. We just took the quick route to cool off, right? A quick drop here. And right now we're going to look for another move to happen. We can still get flag in here, some kind of consolidation pattern, but we got to recover a bit. Otherwise, it's going to start to look like a drop, right? Or a reversal. On the 1 hour, look, coming up higher. And I believe we might be creating some divergence here. right? High to low. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside going down, breaking the 20 right now, starting to move sideways on the fact that we've created some hidden bullish, right? That is it. There's really not a lot going on here, right? Except for this. You guys try to move sideways, maybe go up to that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average is going to be at 0.0017 Ethereums, right? Because this is card starter to wrapped Ethereums. So we got card starter next AVAX. How's you guys' weekend? Let me know in the chat if you have an awesome weekend, type 1. If you're having a so weekend or bad weekend, type 2. I hope you're all having a great weekend, by the way. All right. Andrew says, I won. Plus, he got hired, so yeah, it's a freaking 1, right? It's got to be a 1, man. Jake says, nuts. Well, nuts wasn't an option, Jake. We just said 1 or 2. But I will take, number 3, I guess. Let's go nuts. False flag says 1. Crypto Gaming says chilling weekend. Yeah, we're getting consolidation here, right, on AVAX. Look at that. Very, very large consolidation pattern forming. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm just going to go here, grab this quick triangle tool just for ease of show and say, yo, look at this. We're making this very, very large triangle, right? Again, I'm not pinpointing to 100%, but here we go, right? That is a move. Triangle formation. Oh my goodness. We are consolidating into a symmetrical triangle. That's it. You're watching Ozark. Do they have a new season out? I can't remember which season I stopped watching at. So, nothing going on here. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at 44.34. Is it going slightly higher? We might have some hidden divergence. I think we might have some hidden divergence. Should look there as though we didn't have anything, but upon closer inspection, we can see that on the replay, there was hidden bullish, right? Isn't there like a 3rd season already? Or a 4th season? I'm not sure. I've seen, then I think I'm caught up with it then. Right. Neutral at 44.39. Let's go to that 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, last time we were looking at AVAX over here, we were looking at something bearish, I guess. And with that, some potential fraction of downside. Again, we started to move down on that. And that was hidden divergence that we had. So, we've dropped. Now we're 2. We've created some bullish divergence. Oh, look at this. This is a bullish. It's strong bullish divergence without the possibility for a rally to come in and save us. And we are starting to rally a little bit. But right now we're starting to stagnate like the rest of crypto. Is there something bearish going on here? High, lower, high, lower, high. Positive momentum, less positive, and high to low. There is nothing here that is bearish. High to low as well. Positive is positive, and high to low. There was nothing bearish here. Last one we had was bullish. Why are we stagnating? Maybe the 1 hour could give us a clue. Neutral 46.65. On the 1 hour. Coming up higher. And then here we managed to go about sideways, I would say. Yeah, we went sideways here. And we're coming from positive to negative, right? So we are in high to low here as well. So we did create some strong bearish, some medium bearish divergence. We got that potential moving down that we're trying to get. Now, we didn't have anything bullish here, right? Maybe here in the short term, we did some strong bullish, but from the previous low, we didn't, right? So here in the short term, some strong bullish coming into play. And that is what's helping us rally right now, right? But before we do this, and I do that counter or that divergence, I'm going to get rid of this here. So we want to go to the 4 hour. Now we got it anchored properly. Here we go. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Very nice move. And here in this short-term move, we are creating a strong bearish again. And with that action to downside, we're starting to get our movement down. Right? Coming down lower, more negative momentum, lower still. So nothing bullish. nothing bullish that could come into play, but last time we have strong bearish breaking below 20, we should still be looking for action downside until we create something, right? Right. Let's get here on the daily, man. All right, so we did that. We did AVAX, and we're good for now. On what has been FTM, so Phantom. That's one we're missing. Phantom at $3.17. Oh, look at this. Bearish divergence. I hate it when we... It's like you walk into a chart, the first thing you see is bearish divergence. It's like turn around, walk away, go look for another chart. That's just the feeling. It's like, oh, there's bearish divergence. Let's go for something else. Because this right now would be telling me potential for action downside. Bullish divergence came into play. Bearish divergence coming in. Gonna put pressure on the price, make us drop to a 20 moving average to $2.68. That'll be the target for now. There's nothing else happening here that is bullish. Let's go to the 4-hour. And the 4-hour bearish divergence strong as well. So now we have it twice. It is a second time that we're getting that note that says, bro, walk away. All right, so bearish divergence strong as the MACD and the RSI. With that again, potential moving down to 20 moving average of $3.03. And the 1 hour. And what is it with this chart and bearish divergence? Strong bearish here as well. And with that, it is the, I don't know how many times that we're now having strong bearish divergence. It's the third time, by the way, too. And we did the possibility for action downside. We're starting to break that 20. Looks as though we could be going back down. If we do get a bounce here on some hidden bullish, which we do have, that bounce is going to get us to a 20 moving average, which is at $3.25. And if we reject the strong bearish from the 4-hour, it could take over. Could take over and get us to drop more. Right? So, as for Phantom, let's go actually to the daily and look at the bids. Where's this at? Dude, this is going higher. All right. Oh, look, we already had another Phantom chart with stuff drawn on it. Go figure. All right. So what we're going to do here, we already had that divergence. We're looking for that bearishness to get drawn to 20. Now we're just going to keep on drawing here and do the same thing we did in the other chart. That way we also have it here. It's just what happens when you have too many charts, right? Have a couple of charts. One, you can confirm that you read on one chart, it's still good. And then, you know, anyway, here, this one there. So I had that divergence hidden pressure on the price, getting us to drop to 20. Bouncing right, nothing bullish happening there, man. On the 1 hour, bro. This came over from the 4 or the daily, maybe from the daily. I think that's where I forgot to anchor on the daily. Maybe on the 4 hour. We don't know. We'll know when I zoom back out. Feels like we're entering the crypto multiverse of madness. Yeah. Again, bearish divergence strong. Let's go to the 4 hour. It was, yeah, I sent it to the daily. See, it was from the 4 hour. I screwed up here. This should have gone here and yeah. I'm glad that I caught it now and not come in another day and be like, oh, this all looks weird. Let's fix it. We're fixing it live. It's all good. So yeah, it's kind of struggling, right? It's struggling. I think that's gonna be it, guys. Super short stream. Like half an hour. There's really not a lot going on, right? ADA's doing good. It's still pumping. Bitcoin's still struggling. Bitcoin tanks from here. ADA's gonna feel that effect and it's probably gonna go down. No one's safe from the Bitcoin pullbacks. Monty Python should say that. Anyways, bearishness, right? Could move down. Again, no point in dragging the stream longer than it needs to be. Right? Market's undecided. Waiting for a break to happen on Bitcoin. Cardano trying to pump. Not a lot of requests flowing in, so yeah. So like, if you guys don't come in with a lot of requests and there's not a lot of stuff happening on the market, we're gonna keep streams short. Gives you guys time to, also relax and not be stuck looking at crypto all the time. No point in dragging the stream longer than it needs to be also. And I'm also trying to see if the shorter streams, since I'm not editing, if they also get more views afterwards, right? Because they're shorter. Some people might come by and look at this, right? After the stream. Steve's here. What's up, Steve? Thank you very much for being here. Steve says, ADA is live. Fun day. Yes, Steve. Or ADA evangelists in the house. Yeah, that's what we're doing, right? That's what we're doing. Nebula, dude, thank you very much for being here, man. Our space marine or ultramarine space dude. Oh, look at that, Corky. When should we do game again? Maybe on the weekend, Friday. Check a market cap, yeah. Let's check a market cap real quick before we bounce out. Yeah, market cap struggling, rejecting 20 moving average on a drop. We're looking for 2 trillion on a pump, getting above a 20 and 2, which right now is at 2.08 trillion. We're looking for a move up to 2.15. But again, right now we're getting that rejection happening there, right? So, yeah. Steve says, big snowstorm tonight. Well, hope we can stay warm. 40 inches. Steve says he's gonna get 40 inches. Congrats, Steve. Hope you enjoy all 40 inches of snow. Oh, now he said 40 centimeters. All right. Still, Steve's gonna get 40 centimeters of snow. You don't know. See? This is what Steve's getting. He's in 40 centimeters of snow, right? MC, Canadian MC, informer, right? So, snow. Storm war, yeah, I know. Numbers are all meaningless. You got into the beers in your house? All right. Hope Steve enjoys all 40 centimeters of snow. You know me, Daddy says no, me, I'm a blame, right? Farmer. At your house, all right, that's good. It's all good, Steve. We're joking. We're just having a good time. We're chilling as we are about to log off. Dude, I hope you stay safe though. If it gets to be a lot of snow and whatever, I hope you're ready and you have enough supplies so you don't have to go out and be shoveling stuff out of the driveway. Right. So, thank you guys for watching. We're going to be calling it for tonight. Thank you for watching again. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out, guys. They have gone out. Also, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of Sub Crypto. Hopefully, market will be moving. Maybe not to the downside. Hopefully, not to the downside. Right now, Bitcoin 40,760. We are breaking below 40,996. Remember, if we do break below this area, we start to move violently. We're aiming for 40,997. That could put a hurt on the market, including ADA. On that note, we'll be walking away. If we do get above that area, again, we're looking for 43,923. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of Sub Crypto. Until then.